Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today, we will learn about number 20. T W E N T Y 20. Number 20 comes after number 19. Look at this picture and count the objects. Yes, in this picture there are 20 flower pots at a flower shop. A girl bought a flower pot. "20 flower pots." Let's see some more examples. 20 bottles are on a table. 20 cups are on the table. Children, in this lesson, we learned about flowers. Flowers are very beautiful and give sweet fragrance. Do all flowers give fragrance? No, all flowers do not give fragrance. Some flowers are only used for decoration. There are some flower pots in this picture. Can you count them? Good job! There are 20 flower pots. Let's learn to write number 20. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.